Hey friends, welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you our daily cleaning routine. I know routines have been really difficult during these times, so I'm going to be sharing what I'm currently doing and what's working for us, and I hope that that can inspire you to develop a good routine for you. I'm also going to be showing some decluttering and organizing inspiration along with what we're eating tonight for dinner and more cleaning motivation after that. I'm also going to be sharing a giveaway with you guys in this video, so make sure you guys stay for all of that. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and hop right in. So one of the things I started doing again is getting back in the routine of making my bed every morning. Within the first hour of waking up, I make sure that I make my bed. It just really sets the tone for the day, and it makes my room look a lot nicer and neater, and it also gives me a feeling of accomplishment. So another thing that I like to do is just go ahead and wash one load of laundry a day. It just really helps keep my laundry under control. Let me know in the comments if you have one specific day a week that you wash your laundry, or are you a daily washer? Let us know in the comments. So this is actually my laundry from the day before that I did not put away after I washed it, but I did get a tip from a couple of you guys. For us to go ahead and prevent wrinkles in our clothes, it really helps just going ahead and folding your clothes right from your dryer. So that is what I'm doing here, and it does help out a lot. So the next thing I do is when I go downstairs, I go ahead and just clean up anything that is out of its place, like things on the table, coats, things on the countertops, and just get everything back in their places. So I am going to go ahead and clean with my Jaws kitchen cleaner today. I absolutely love Jaws. It's one of my favorite cleaning products. If you're looking to try any new cleaning products, I do always have a 25% off code down below in my description box. And something else I do daily is the dishes. I think a lot of us are doing so many dishes since we're all eating at home all day long. So I'm just going to go ahead and empty my dishwasher and then load it with whatever is in the sink. I also picked up a few new dishes that you guys are going to see in my next video. What my goal is to take out all of my old dishes that are scratched up and chipped and just get rid of them, but I'm slowly doing it by replacing and purchasing a few things at a time.
Simple. Now all we do is turn nothing into rain, and I've been acting all insane. I feel you bringing out the worst inside of me. Oh na na, oh you're good with lies. Oh na na. wish I wasn't right. Whoa.
So the last task that I do for my daily chores or my daily routine is just go ahead and wipe down all of my countertops just to make sure there's no crumbs or stickiness and everything is sparkly clean for the day.
Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired.
So this is probably one of the easiest, yummiest dinners you guys can cook, and that is the slow cooker buffalo chicken sandwiches. They are amazing and it's super easy. So all you have to do is get enough chicken that feeds your family, and I went ahead and cut up my pieces because they were bigger pieces of chicken and I want them to cook thorough. So I cut them up, put them in my slow cooker. This is my Instant Pot, but it does both. So I'm just going to use it as a slow cooker today. I will also be sharing with you the sides that we went ahead and paired with this meal that just made it delicious, and everybody was so happy to eat it. I just picked up this Campbell's slow cooker sauce, so it was super easy. I found it at Target. Depending on what you're using, you're going to want to put it on slow cook, or if you're using a regular crock pot, you will put it on low for 7 hours. So I don't know about you, but I love having the perfect bun for sandwiches like this. So I like to go to the bakery and get my buns from there. Then I went ahead and added some cheese, made some cheesy broccoli and corn on the cob, and everybody was happy. We also had leftovers the next day.
You keep me on my feet.
So we're officially on day 2 of this cleaning video, and I wanted to give you guys a little bit more in this video. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and get my blankets ready for me to wash them. I do wash my blankets once a week, and then we are gonna be jumping into some decluttering.
I follow every sound, just say you want. I won't let you down.
So what I'm doing here is I went ahead and took out my nightstand drawers because we are going to be going through them and just getting rid of anything that I don't need anymore and filing away things in their proper places and putting them away in their proper places. So that's what I'm doing here, and I've been needing to get this done for a while, so I'm really happy about this.
Oh, just say you want. I follow every sound. Just say you want. I won't let you down. So we can dance through the night. Keep it tight. You're my melody. No, we don't need to think twice. It's alright. You're my melody. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away.
So I was sharing my essential oil roller blend and some of my products from Young Living. I absolutely love that company and get a lot of my products from them. They are just non-toxic and natural. So if you ever have questions about that stuff, you guys just go ahead and message me on Instagram or just comment down below. So I do want to mention that I do have a Like.to.know.it page. So what that is, it gives you easy access to links of the furniture and the home decor that I have in my house. So if you're looking for a piece of furniture I have in my house or the bedding or something like that, all you have to do is go to my Like.to.know.it page and you can shop right from there. So I am trying to post more of my stuff on that page. If you want to follow me there so you can check out the links and things like that, I will have that down below in the description box.
I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that? It's just stupid. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good, so why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time.
So once I finish decluttering, I like to clean inside the drawers and then I start organizing in there and putting the organizers in there. I like to just keep things in there that I know my husband will use on a regular basis or things that he needs to find easy and have easy access to.
It's crazy how we started off so good. Every single hour with you vanished just like that. But now it feels like I've been trapped, and I can't believe how you don't see.
So what I'm doing here to get my cords organized is just wrapping a hair tie around them. I just fold them up as nice as I can, wrap it around, and it's good to go.
When we've been doing everything we could, I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no, don't need you here to feel alright. I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight, but you only make it worse whenever you're around. 'Cause I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no, don't need you.
So right now I'm loving the cedarwood and lavender to help me fall asleep. It really works for me and my husband. I just go ahead and diffuse it about an hour before we go to sleep. If I forget to turn on my diffuser and diffuse this, I do not fall asleep, you guys. This seriously puts us to sleep.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out.
So this is our new comforter, and I have been asked a lot about this comforter. And again, I do have it linked in my Like.to.know.it page, which I do have linked down below in my description box.
Me out. To love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could.
So as I mentioned before, that this video is a giveaway, and I will be giving away a $25 gift card. I do want to do this as often as I can to give back to you guys, because you guys are so amazing. So all you have to do is comment down below and say one thing that you are looking forward to when we are not quarantined anymore. Also, be a subscriber, turn your post notifications on, and you guys get extra points if you share this video with friends and family. I love you guys so much. I hope you got tons of cleaning motivation from this video and a dinner idea. Make sure to tag me if you try it out, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.
Wear me out.